Hello, Timbers. It's Robert 28, 1979. Guess I can give a little overview of this here. This is the experimental sign we're building. I'm almost done with it. It's something else. It's been a fight to this point. I've got $10 into it so far on the build. A couple more hours left to go. As y'all can see, there's still some steel here, there, whole bunch of extra left over, and they're just everywhere. But you'll know something's missing if y'all can clue into it. The headache rack is missing. No, I didn't sell it. No, I didn't get rid of it. I'm about to lose all my heat because I'm going to open this door. It's not finished, but I have worked on it some in the evening time, and that's what she's going to look like. I still got clamps holding it down, and it's cold and a little windy out here. Turn the night shot on. It's already on. So as y'all can see, I got angle braces just tacked together right now. And you can't really see it here, but this angle iron is actually angled down. It curves with the bed, where the inside is going to stick in a little bit, which is fine. And the way I did is I cut this square tubing at an angle to here, and then across here, almost at a straight. This piece here, I notched it out, kind of like this, and it comes back into it to go around this one. And this piece here, this angle, let me get in there, actually overlaps this one, so it gives a good sturdy weld. You can see I got washer stick behind it, which that's scratching my cab all to crap. Who cares? I gotta take this bed and everything off and actually fix inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but the cab's separating right here. Right, that seam is separating, and the other side is cracking right here at that grommet. So I gotta fix that, but that's later on. But oh, come on, there we go. Things slow to focus sometimes. But that's more or less what it's going to look like. Have a red light, white, white. So, right on. Let's turn this night shot off now. There we go. That looks a little better. There we go. But, that's where she's at so far. And I took the down plate caps off the dually and put them on that white truck, and put a down plate go across the tailgate. So, yep, that truck's still for sale too. Alrighty, suppose this where the heater comes back on, or it's gonna make a hell of a loud ruckus. Still ain't done much with the case yet. I just kind of got that 3-point link sitting there, that top link, and ain't quite messed with it. Just kind of a little update on that. And if y'all seen that trailer sitting outside, that wedge trailer, it's back. I've done some work on that, welded some stuff on it, put some hubs on it. Well, he was going down the road, and the whole tire hub, everything shot off. He didn't see it. Lost the whole wheel tire and everything. So he's going tomorrow. He went and bought everything to fix it, but the bottom of the spindle where all the threads are at, I got into it so bad that I didn't feel safe trying to put it back together. So he's actually going to go buy a new axle in the morning, and I'll go with him to do that. You can see I got started on these rings a little bit. I'm slacking. I've had a whole lot of things come up today I had to get done, and My plan was to have this sign done today, these rings all done today, and all the other fun jazz. I still got to finish that. Got to put another rod in it. Anybody that does signs, you know, y'all can see this video, kind of understand what I'm doing. Those of you who don't, I'll explain it later. Because, like I said, this is just an experiment to see if this is even going to work. I honestly don't think it will. I think it'll be alright-ish, but by the time it's all said and done, there's going to be over $600. It's going to be over a $600 job for him, so. But, I don't know. Maybe, had somebody ask me on this once what I charge as far as fees and rates. For mechanic part of it, I charge $50 an hour. For, I mean, that's for automotive or lawnmower repair. Anywhere else in this town is over $100 for both, so after I cut it in half, it's about right. Welding in-shop fee for welding is $35 an hour and $50 an hour out in the field, unless otherwise agreed upon for different. Just depends. But for the main part, starting the 1st of next month, it will be $35 in shop guaranteed and $50 in the field. Going rate for field welders right now in this area is base is $75 an hour. In shop is 50 something bucks an hour. I'm not trying to get rich on anybody else's by doing their jobs for them. Everybody in this world works for a living just as well as me and the next guy, so I ain't gonna take advantage of them and charge that kind of rate. It's just not worth it. It's ridiculous. So, but anyways, that's the video for now. Just an update on the headache rack and stuff like that. So, yeah, good view of a messy shop. But, you know, safety never hurts, I guess. But, anyways, I'm going to end this video, so if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, rate, comment, you know what to do. So, until the next video, y'all guys take it easy.